talaga. Kasi yung family namin, musically inclined talaga sila. So parang mortal sin, pag, hindi ka ano kumanta. Parang ganun ko.
Big Bong sa bahay.
Hindi ka parang mag-play ng instrument. How that, ano? Parang masamad.
You told me earlier, Jen, as early as 13 years old, you were actually exposed to performing already.
Yes.
13 years old, wow. You know, it's been such a long way, and we're very prideful about it. Kasi yung unang album mo, first album was 2004, Living the Dream.
2004.
Ako pa nagpaalala.
Salamat!
Living the Dream. And then yung lahat is, of course, everybody remembers Kahit Sandali, which actually turned platinum, and ladies and gentlemen, for you to turn platinum in 2004, it takes a whole lot of love for the artist in Viva.
Siyempre dahil yan sa mga sumusuporta sa atin.
Correct. So, zero in tayo, bago tayo pumunta sa ating film, Jen. Ngayon, we are right here right now for Jen Deluxe. And I've heard from our Aguilar Artist Management, no? It took about 2 to 3 years because napakaraming nangyari sa buhay, di ba?
Oo, actually, 3 years na. So, happy ako na pagkatapos ng ganun katagal na hintay. I'm very thankful na very patient and very understanding ng Star Music.
Yeah.
Kasi talagang bago namin mabuno yung isang buong album, bilang 2 taon, mahigit, di ba?
Yeah.
Daming nag-adjust sila sa lahat ng mga schedule ko. So, I'm very grateful sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Star Music. Talagang
Hands down sa kanila.
dahil napakahusay, wala akong masabi. Simula dun sa pagbuo ng album, yung konsepto ng album, ngayon lang ako naka-experience din ng, di ba sa dami ng album na nagawa ko, ang buhay ko. Ngayon lang ako naka-experience na kasama ako pati sa creative.
Right.
Creatives nung ano.
You had listening sessions also.
Yes, meron kami listening sessions. Tapos tatanong ko kung okay ba sa akin yung song. Diba, parang masarap na feeling na talagang part ako talaga ng binubuong album na yun. So, yeah, ganun ng mga writers.
It takes a village, Jen, you
Yes,
know?
oo.
It takes a village to help us bring it to life, sabi nga nila. And of course, our music was behind you. And you have titles like paulit-ulit kang pipiliin, hihintayin kita, hindi pa rin sapat.
Yung paulit-ulit kang pipiliin ko, ano yun, ginawa namin ni Sir Jonathan yan for Dennis, para sa asawa.
Wow. Palakpakan niyo ba sila sa
Tapos yung isang song naman, gusto ko lang i-share yung isang song entitled, Kung Nandito Ka Pa. Yung Kung Nandito Ka Pa ay regalo sa akin ni Narca Bill, kung nandito siya ngayon. Isang napakahusay, singer, composer, nung nawala ang pamilya ko, ginawan niya ako ng kanta. Pinarecord niya pa doon sa isang friend namin, si Annalyn Baro. So, naisip ko sa email, may kanta si Annalyn Baro. Ano kaya? So, nung pinakita ko, ay naku, grabe yung iyak ko. Nung nire-record ko yung kanta na yun, hindi ko matuloy-tuloy yung recording kasi talagang naalala ko ang Mami Lijo.
Wow. Okay. Well, you know, kilala ka namin isang batikang actress and all that. Bilang artist versus bilang singer, do you approach music the same way as when it comes to the emotions sa mga kanta?
Iba-iba eh. Bawat kanta merong iba't ibang emosyon.
Right.
Merong iba't ibang groove, may iba't ibang genre. So, depende siguro sa kung saan papunta yung kanta. Pag malungkot, dapat malungkot ka rin.
Right.
Pagka masaya yung kanta, medyo mapapasayaw ka at nakangiti. Diba? Habang nire-record mo nakangiti ka. Positive, mag-iisip ka ng mga positive memories, diba?
Actually, hold that thought, Jen. Napakarami pa namin pwedeng pagkwentuhan. But for now, I'll let you relax with your family right here. You can take your seat. Because at this point, we're going to be watching a very special film na talaga namang pinaghandaan ng lahat ng tao na sumusuporta kay Jen. Alright. Now we finally get to see one of the highlights of today's celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, ngayon niyo na po ito makikita. We've talked about the project, we've heard from the people behind it, and now, ito na. We get to experience the music in a whole new level, the Genevieve Mercado way. Right? panibagong mundo na ng buo ito ay maaaring magbigay sa atin ng panibagong perspective or panibagong feels, lalo-lalo na kung nakapanood natin ang pag-uwi. So, we'd like to release the advice na no posting muna ng ating exclusive premiere for the short film dahil later on, August 21 natin ang premiere. But, because you are here today in full support and love for Gemini, we're going to be showing this film to you. So, here we go. Without further ado, guys, everyone, once again, sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Gem Deluxe, the film.
love. It's more than okay.